Hello fellow crafters, I have a haul for you guys, and from where? None other than your favorite store, the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys everything I got, but I did get a lot of stuff. And let's start with the obvious that I have here, which it's these little guys that I plan to do a craft with this for the garden. Stay tuned. If you haven't been watching the spring summer garden update, go ahead, and the links are going to be down below for the garden videos, and I'll put that there at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be an upcoming video, a do-it-yourself little tutorial on a decoration that you can either use for the house or for your garden, so stay tuned for that. In this little baggie, I've got an item that everybody has been hauling, and I finally found mine at my Dollar Tree, which is your Nautical Rope. And I got plenty of those. This will be turned into another craft for summer, and stay tuned for that. I got these. Probably not very interesting, but it is a moisture eliminator for my craft closet. Toss that down there. A little plate, decorative plate. That's also going to be part of my summer garden revamp decorating. I got some of these. I don't remember how many I got of these, but I did get a few, and I want to go ahead and see if I can use them around the house. And they're just little push lights. I got plenty of those. I got this based on one of the YouTubers also that really enjoys it. I believe it was Do It on a Dime. She recommends something like this. I don't know if this is the exact one, but I got the purple one because I love purple. And then I got this awesome laundry brightener and color booster to see if I can brighten up my clothing. And then this is another little craft that I have in mind. One bag down, I have some more tie wraps, because who does not need more tie wraps in their stash? I also got another one of these. I got some foam. They have these. These are 5 pounds. And if these actually work, a must keep in my stash. And then I got a few of these. These are the 3-pounders that hold up 3. And those are really good for coats or, you know, things outside in the pool area. Hang up your bathing suits, your towels. I got more of these because the spring items at the Dollar Tree are starting to disappear, and I wanted to get these before they ran out. And these are the 2-pounders. So I got the 5, the 3, and the 2-pound hooks. I got, there's more. I have plans for these guys. I have plans. Now this, one of the reasons why I got this was not because of the earbuds, but because of the little container. It screws on, and it has a carabiner there that you can probably hook it on to a craft. Alright, I did get another one of these. Slide that out. Okay. Got this little guy. He was the only one left. Now, and I got a few of these to go ahead and finish up some projects that I have around the house. A 12-pack. I did find out that my Dr. Square Dollar Tree, so I'm super happy about finding a lot of the things that I do need. These little squares, you know, they're going to go into a little container, and we're going to use these for crafts throughout the year. I got some items that I'm going to be making for crafts to give away, for gifts, for family and friends. So I got some of these. Found this one pretty cute. And more of these. So everybody's going to get a little notepad with something. Not sure. I'll figure that one out later. This cute little one. You're going to do like a recipe type of book for a gift. Then I got some of these because I believe one of the YouTube channels uses these to cut either foam, and it helps. So I got a few of these. Also in the the spirit of giving. The Vaseline. Got 2 or 3 of the 4 of the Vaseline chapsticks. Winter comes around, you never think about it when you don't need it, but when you need it, you have it. Now, here's a little tip on these guys. When you open these guys up, be careful on the blister. You can reuse the blister pack for your craft. I don't have the die to make this, and I've been doing it with the Cricut, and one of my YouTube friends also has a tutorial on how to do the chapstick blister pack for your gifts that you're going to make. So when you peel this off, just go ahead and peel it off really carefully, and if you have to remove any of the cardboard from the plastic, it's very easily with a little bit of Goo Gone, and you can take that off. So I have a few of those. I also got these Lip Smackers Sprite, because this is like a, to me it's a Christmassy color, so these can be for Christmas gifts. There's another one of those. Let's go ahead and just push everything out. Everything. There we go. I also got these little guys because these, I use them for organizing my payments, my bills at the end of the week. Another one of these little things. These are just toy yo-yos, but these can be turned into little leggies. If you take off, I believe, the string on the inside, and then you just paint them the color that you want, and you just stick them underneath that one thing that you want, and they turn into, let me see, these are 8, so you have 2 sets of legs, little feet thingies for any of the crafts that you're making. Maybe a tray that you want to lift it up, put these at the bottom. I also found this glow-in-the-dark Dory decals, and these are plastic, so these are going to go outside in the outside shower where you rinse after your pool and before the pool. Oh, there goes that one. I found this cutie. It's a frozen mold and make Anna. Not sure what you do with it, but it says it's got the ingredients, 2 bright colors, and you can make whichever one you want. And I believe, I don't know if it hardens or not, and if you want to use this as probably a charm, I'm pretty sure it's pretty tiny, then you can do that. I got this for my grandbaby. She's gonna get that. Whenever I see these, I grab them because sometimes they run out. Today was a good day. And I found these little mascara wands because we always want to keep extras. That's it for that one. That's what, bag 3, I believe. I lost count. Okay. This is another, it's just a regular bow, but it is part of the craft that I'm going to be making pretty soon also for the garden. Now, some of these things are not very interesting. They're not for crafting, but they're part of the haul. Bath sponge. Don't forget to clean your car that drives you to the craft places that you go to. Okay. Steering wheel cover. During the hot summer months, you want to go ahead and have something. Cover your steering wheel while you're in the store. Once you come back, you can take it off. It's taking care of your steering wheel, and it's not going to be hot for you. So I got my doggy 2 pink bowls, but I got 2 of these, and I'm hoping they're going to fit in her raised food bowl thingy. Just thought they were adorable. They're pink. And then I got a few of these wind chimes in the garden. Now this one's a little contorted because it was in the bag and moving everywhere, and I gotta fix that. I got 2 of those. I got some of these. Always when you buy these, make sure that they have the bottom part that goes into the ground or into your pot if you're going to put them in your flower pot. And always make sure that it has your tab. If it doesn't have the tab, don't buy it. And some crafting beads. I bought 2 of these bags, I believe. Some of these. We got these little mats. I want to try to see if I can put it in the back in the shower area. So when you're back there, it's not as hot when you get into the shower. I got 2 of those. Oh, and here's some more of those notepads. Let me see if I can push it forward a little because you guys are like way back there. Okay, there we are. And then I got this one. And that's where these come in handy. You can put those tabs wherever you want. They don't have to be on the yellow part. They can be anywhere you want, and just divide your paper to let you know what that part is. And that's what I use this for. Got these beautiful little flowers. They're peonies. Cute little peonies. They're a beautiful gradient color coming off of it. So yes, peonies, beautiful flowers. Cleaning products. More of these. Another one of these baggies of pearls, and these are the 14 millimeters, 40 of them. So get those. Some more of these lights. I got a few of packages of these as well. These are your actual washcloths. These are your bar mop cloths. More of these. And then look who came home with me. A little itty bitty dragon. I don't know what this is, but something got stuck on him. It's a little itty bitty little dragon, and he came home with me. I don't know where he's going to live yet, but he's here with us today. Some bows that are going to be part of that garden do-it-yourself tutorial. So I'm thinking of doing some dupes from Walmart planters, urn planters, other little planter ideas that I might have. That's going to go in that. Then I found these cute removable little, cute tiny little hooks just for little things. This one is going to go in here. I think I measured, or it goes on top with this in the bathroom. Badminton. I didn't find a little racket. Didn't find the racket. I found only the badminton, and I like them because they're soft, so they can be used in the pool. Thing for the pool was this little guy, the sling shooter. Just toss it across the pool, have some fun. And the second one, I believe there was one left, so I left one. You always want to have a wreath around the house. And that's it for Hello fellow crafters. Today I'm bringing you in on a haul that I have from the Dollar Tree. Hello fellow crafters. I'm bringing you a, no, don't like that one either. Hello fellow,